is a 1966 Chevy C10, a true classic. But today, we're taking it on a transformation journey like no other. From a rusty relic to a modernized masterpiece, every detail of this truck is about to be reborn. Let's dive in. First things first, we inspected every body panel and interior component. The verdict? A mix of good condition and some pesky rust. But no worries, we've got plans for all of it. To modernize this classic, I decided on an LS swap and found a Tahoe frame in great condition. Now the real work begins. We started by disassembling the engine and removing all wiring. Every part, from the oil pan to the pulleys, was carefully cleaned, inspected, and prepped for upgrades. After pressure washing away years of grime, we removed the four-wheel drive components and gave the frame a fresh coat of rust reformer paint. Look at that transformation, just like new. The engine received some serious love. A new cam plate, fresh spark plugs, a shiny oil pan, and more. With everything cleaned, replaced, and painted, this engine is ready to roar again. The C10's body needed serious attention. We removed the hood, fenders, and bed, sanding down every inch to prepare for paint. Even the cabin floor and doors got a rust-proofing treatment. We even decided to restore the original seats. A little welding, sanding, and some brown upholstery gave them a whole new life. With the engine and body prepped, it was time for the big moment, the marriage. That's when the frame and chassis come together, bringing the truck back to life. We kept the classic vibe alive with retro-style speedometers and vintage touches like wooden steering wheels and rugged carpets. The finishing touches included everything from rewiring park lights to installing the tailgate and bumpers. We even created a custom DIY wooden floor for the bed, adding a unique touch to this beauty. After countless hours, around $20,000, and a lot of hard work, this 1966 Chevy C10 has been reborn. From rust to revival, this transformation was worth every second. What do you think of the final result? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing builds. See you next time.